Exploring CCNA 2024 updates, what's new? We will explore the latest updates, modifications, and enhancements to the CCNA certification, providing you with all the information you need to prepare for the new version of the exam. CCNA 2024 changes. The CCNA 2024 updates are set to bring significant changes to the certification process. One of the key modifications will be the inclusion of new topics and technologies that reflect the current trends in networking. CCNA exam modifications. These modifications aim to ensure that certified professionals are equipped to meet the demands of the industry and adapt to new technologies as they emerge. Cisco CCNA refresh. By staying current with these changes, you can demonstrate your commitment to professional development and enhance your career prospects in the competitive field of IT. CCNA 2024 improvements. From new topics and technologies to modified exam formats, these changes are designed to help you stay ahead of the curve and maintain your relevance in the ever-changing world of networking. Conclusion. In conclusion, as you prepare for the CCNA 2024 exam, be sure to stay informed about the latest updates and modifications to the certification program.